Hi everyone, I am Subhi from Fame Maths classes. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.1 of rational numbers. Exercise 1.1 first question. Using properties, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. We need to apply the properties to solve this. So, how to do is that first of all we need to identify the terms of this problem. So, terms are separated by plus sign and minus sign. So, I'm identifying plus sign. This is one plus and here one minus is there. So, we can group these term and this is also another term and next term. So, in this problem we found there are three terms. So now next step is that we need to identify the common rational number among this. So here you can see that 3 by 5 is a common 3 by 5 here and here also we can see 3 by 5. So we got 3 by 5 is a common rational number. So that's why we are going to apply the commutative property to bring this last term as second term. So I'm going to write minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, that is in one group, and bring the last group here. 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 and keep 5 by 2 last. So here we applied commutative property. And now the first two, now you can consider the first two terms. Here identify the common rational number, that is 3 by 5. Here also 3 by 5 is there. So we are going to take 3 by 5 out. So if you take 3 by 5 out, you can see minus 2 by 3 will come inside, and here in the second term it will be 1 by 6. In between them there is a minus sign that I kept it here. Last term we can keep as it is 5 by 2, and this property we applied here is distributive. Now we need to solve this what is given in the bracket. So here the denominators are different, so we need to take the LCM, and here LCM will be 6, 3 and 6. LCM will be 6. So we can make the first rational number as an equivalent rational number having 6 as the denominator. So if here it is 6 means 3 into 2 is 6. So we need to multiply the numerator also with 2. Minus 2 into 2 it become minus 4. So we got here 3 by 5, and now we can solve this minus 4 minus 1. It is minus 5. So this bracket will become into now, and it is minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. We can solve this. Cutting is possible. 5 and 5 get cancelled. 3 and 6 2 times possible. So here we got minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, and you can see that the denominators are same. So it is minus 1 plus 5, it is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2 is the answer. Now we can discuss the second problem, that is using properties find 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. So the same method we can apply here. First of all, identify the terms. You can see that minus sign is here, plus sign is here. So we can group the terms. So here we got three terms. and identify the common among this. 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So bring these two terms together by applying commutative property. So here we applied commutative property. Now next is that identify the common term. First of all, we identified already, that is 2 by 5. So we can take it out. 2 by 5, then bracket minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. Here minus 3 by 7 and here 1 by 14 remains. And minus, here you can see 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So we apply distributive property here. Now we can cancel these numbers. So I have cancelled 3 and 6 2 times possible, and here now we can solve them. 2 by 5. Here the 7 and 14 are the denominators, so LCM will be 14. So we need to convert the first term, that is minus 3 into 2 is 6 and 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 4. So we can solve this, that is minus 6 plus 1, that will become minus 5 by 14 and minus 1 by 4. Now 5 and 5 get cancelled, 2 and 14 7 times possible. So we got minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. Here the denominators are different, so we can take the LCM. 7 into 4, that is 28 is the LCM. So we can rewrite this as, here it is 28, 7 4s are 28, minus 1 into 4, minus 4, minus, here it will be 4 7s are 28, so 1 into 7. So we got the answer minus 4 minus 7, it will become minus 11 by 28. Hope these questions are clear to you all. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe